I'm here with my 2024 Suzuki V Strom 650, and I'm going to show you how to install the racks for the side cases. And this is going to be the same instructions whether you have a 2017 through 24 V Strom. It'll be the same instructions there. And you're gonna have two of these, one for each side, and you're gonna have a bar that goes across the back, and you're going to have a bag of parts, and I'll show you step by step how to install it. The first step is going to be to remove this plastic trim, and you're going to use a 4mm Allen wrench. On the top two bolts here and here, you're going to have a bolt like this. You're going to have a lock washer. You're going to put it through the hole. Then you're going to have a regular washer. You're going to have this barrel, and then this smaller barrel. It's going to look something like this. On the bottom setup, you're going to use the same bolt with the lock washer, and then you're going to put it through, and then you're going to have this bigger barrel, and then this smaller piece here. For the bottom, where it goes down to the kickstand, you're going to use these two bolts with lock washers. Tighten these is going to be 6mm. These bolts here are going to be a 4mm. Next part you have is this that goes over the exhaust, and you're going to have this little bracket here. And you're going to have these two bolts right here and two taps. Going to use a 10mm wrench and a 4mm Allen key. This side of the bike is going to be the same, except without the exhaust. So you're just going to repeat what you did on the other side with this side. Now all we have left is this bar on the back, and we use these bolts here with the lock washers. And these are 5mm. There we go, that was pretty easy. Now all I have left to do is put the bags on it. Thanks for watching. If you like any content like this, or if this was helpful at all, I'd appreciate it if you would click like. And if you want more content like this in the future, I would highly suggest that you subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it if you would. And there will be a whole lot more V Strom content coming in the near future, so stick around for that. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.